Now is the time to transition into a career in cybersecurity. Our Cybersecurity Launchpad Program takes you from zero tech experience to job ready in 12 weeks. We've just opened the doors to our cohort, and I would love to see you there. And who knows, you may be working at your dream job. Our program not only covers real-life cybersecurity scenarios, but equips you with the necessary tools required to land your first job and perform optimally. Take advantage of our early bird discount and gain access to interactive classes, experiential lessons, a holistic curriculum, a private digital community, and post-training support and mentoring. So, what are you waiting for? Click on this link to enroll, and I'll see you soon.